What's up, guys? Got my my bus's motor out right now, taking it all apart, replacing the distributor drive gear, which is down in there. No, you can't see, but see if I can grab a flashlight. It's just that little brass gear down there. There you go. On the crank. So I had to take the whole motor apart, split the case, do everything. Yeah, I would have never done this if it wasn't for YouTube videos, you know, like VW Darren and the Easy Jeezy. Those guys really helped me out a lot of their knowledge and watching their stuff. So I'm just putting it back together. I already split it and replaced the gear, which was all chewed up, and it wasn't quite working right. So I had to get in there and figure it out. Still got to do this cylinder head and the head and the cylinders and the pistons. Had a little screw up on there when I was doing them. On this one, ended up breaking one of the piston rings. Just like scuffing it, chipping it a little bit. So I'm getting a new one here soon. I figure I'd give you guys an update on the old bus. I want to give a shout out to Ryan over at German Works too. He's helped me a lot. He's my local VW guy. He's lent me tools and has given me knowledge. I've never done anything like this before. But, I mean, it's pretty much there. Everything's together. It's running, or not running, but turning over smoothly. Still got to get the pinion gear in. I was going to get the flywheel on first. Just got to figure out how to get back there and tap that thing in there with this engine stand. I'm using a Harbor Freight. I just picked it up for this project. And it's worked. It's helped me out a lot, but it's not quite accessible in the things I need it to be. But yeah, this has been quite a fun project. I just started it yesterday, tearing it apart. And it's not that bad. Don't be intimidated. There's a lot of knowledge out there. I was going to show you guys, you know, my steps through it, but I got, you know, no real knowledge in doing a motor build, so I'll leave that to the professional guys. And I didn't know if I'd be stumbling through, which I was, and having a tough time on some parts. But I mean, I just clicked on the videos and just kept watching them and listening to them while I was working away out here. I got one side done. I just got to go to the other side as soon as I get that piston ring. But anyways, yeah, that's it, guys. Sorry for my messy garage. It's like a war zone out here right now. Anyways, yeah, drop a message. Hopefully, if you guys make it this far in the video, let me grab my flashlight. When I pulled my engine, I found something in the tranny bell housing. I have no idea what it is. Maybe someone out there knows. You can leave a comment. Maybe not, but there's like these little metal pellets or something down in here. I'm not sure what they are. I mean, they were all just sitting in there. It's crazy. I have no idea. I mean, it almost looks like the dowels for the bearings, but all of those were in and it was all good. And there's just like 7 of them chilling.